out that dope.
Hey y'all, Shopback Couture here, and today we're going to do our first ever YouTube video, and it's how to make business cards how I do. So this is how you can make the business cards how mine is. I'm gonna show a clip right now.
I did a freestyle, then I got a shout out from Obama. Yes.
So yeah, that's how I do them. And I do graphics. It's my graphics account is Shopback Design. I have my prices and everything. Also I have a business, Shopback Couture. That's probably where all y'all came from. I sell vegan lip glosses. I sell packs, like bundles. I sell shades. I'm gonna be selling bangles soon, and I am selling lip scrubs. So yeah, but anyway, let's get started with the video. So the apps that you're gonna need are Bonto, Superimpose, Photos, of course, Safari, and I think that's it. You're gonna need custom fonts. If you want a video of how to download custom fonts, drop it down below in the comments. But let's get started. So it's not going to be an exact replica of my business card because that's going to be boring for me. But I'm just going to do something similar. So I go to Play Image, and you need to change the numbers up here. The business card size is, let's see. The business card size is 500 by 300. Okay, so I'm going to do a red business card because why not? I'm going to apply, use. All right, so this is the business card. So what I did was I added my logo. So I put my logo in the corner right here. So that's my logo. And then I put the credit card chip. So let me show y'all where you can find that. All you got to type in is credit card chip PNG. Let it load. Images. I did a silver one, but it doesn't matter. I mean, you could do whatever you want. So I put PNG. This one isn't PNG, which makes me mad, but this is why you need Superimpose. So you download it, right? And then you go to Superimpose, create new, add layer. So you crop it to almost the edge, so you can make it PNG, so it can be clear. PNG is transparent, basically. It's transparent background. So you go to cut.
Stop popping up with stuff. No. Okay, we're just gonna do that stuff. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you go to Smart Eraser. I make it black because it's easier to see. It's not gonna be too perfect because I already made mine, so I don't really care that much. But for y'all, if you want it to be perfect, then go ahead and just pause the video and erase yours. But it's gonna be pretty rough, and I don't care. So yeah, you know what? I'm gonna cut the camera. I'm gonna cut it and then come back.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Okay, so I'm back, and this is how it looks. It's pretty good. Okay, so this is it. Then you would just go to save this layer. Okay, so now you would go to add this image. I'm trying to not tap so hard on the screen, but sorry. So anyway, you would just put it to however big or small you want it. I didn't do mine on the iPad. I did mine on my phone, so it's smaller. I don't remember. I think I put a slogan up here. So my slogan is the Brat Factory. Or that's just basically what that's my second name, the Brat Factory. And you can just put any font, it doesn't matter. And I think I have this right here. Okay, so I put the Brat Factory. Okay, so I put the Brat Factory and I made it bigger. And put that right here. So it depends on what type of card you're going for. I went for a MasterCard, so my number started off with 5149. I don't know if you're gonna do Visa. Well, this is kind of a MasterCard design because it has the little circles. So MasterCards start with 5149, and then like you could just do random numbers. I think that's how many it is, right? I think it's 4. Yeah, it's 4. It's 4. Okay. Oh, where'd it go? Okay. So put it shadow. So what did I do? Oh, so I have this custom font. It's just type in credit card font, and this is what comes up. To make this business card look a little bit better, I'm gonna change the colors to like white, cause it'll look good. I don't know why I put a period right here. Oh, okay. So yeah, yeah, just like that, and then for the bottom, hold on, let me look at one of my business cards. So I'm back, and my business card looks like that basically, except for like the colors are different. But so in a MasterCard, your name would be to the side, like right around here. So I just put my business name, which is Brat Couture. It's okay. Then I'm gonna font, and I'm gonna do Funk House. I don't think I did Funk House. I did a straight font because I don't want too much like of a Brat font everywhere. So I did a straight font. Shoot. Shoot, where did it go? Oh my gosh, hold on. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to like not make a lot of noise on the iPad, and this pencil, like I'm still getting used to it. So yeah, did I spell Couture right? Why does it look right? I mean, I spelled it right, but okay. So anyway, I'll put it right here. Let me put this down some. Put this right here. Make this a tad bit bigger. Okay. So then I would do the valid through. So valid through. Well, in a MasterCard, like everything is capital. But I didn't download the straight font that I used. But it would be valid through. You would make this small. Not too small though. And like this. And then you would do, I don't know. I did when I'm graduating June 2024. So yeah, June 2024. And oh, that's too far down. I mean, too far up. So I made this bigger so it could be like, you see how it like matches up. And then style, shadow, okay, so that's that. And then the colors. This is really bothering me. Yeah, this looks better. It looks better to me. So I don't know if it was that big, but yeah. So anyway, the circles. So my circles are gonna be white white and gray because I can't do silver. So all you would do is go to add item. Oops. Go to the star. So hold on, my mom's here. So make it white. Not color, size. And you would scale it down. And then you would do the same thing for, why am I in photos? Go do the same thing for the gray circles.
Color, gray, what? Why am I keep picking color? No, okay, size 123.
I don't know why, but like it always feels like this circle is always a little bit bigger. So truthfully, I'd be like doing it a little bigger, but not too big. Yeah, basically. Oh shoot, I can't do it like that. Okay, well, this is how I do it, and this would be the front of the business card. Let me screenshot this because this is going to be like a thumbnail. So thanks. Okay, so I would save it. Now you would do the same thing but for the back. So let me just do everything and I'll come back. What I did was go to add item for the little card swipe thing. Go to square. I made it white, but you can make whatever color you want. Like, it's your business card. And you would go to size and you would make the width like to the max, and then you would do the height however you want. So this is how I want mine. Mine has my shop at the top, so it would be Shop Brat Couture. So I will put it right there. Oops, not black. The shadow will be black. Okay, so this will be that. I scaled mine up a little bit to like right here. So that's the top. Okay, let me just okay. So on the back of cards it's like the CVV or a CVC or whatever it's called. So that's when you would add the square again. And this time you'll go to size, not all the way bigger. Wait, it would be like right here. And then size it down a little bit more. Size it down, basically a rectangle. And it wouldn't be all the way white. Well, at least mine wasn't. You go to color and you just make it however opaque or transparent you want it to be. And then you can scale it up if you need to. I want it to be a little wider. Okay, right there. And I put thank you for purchasing because you gotta thank your customers. So thank you for, and then I put purchasing in the middle. No. Purchasing. Okay, so thank you for purchasing. Same shadow. And I put it as my font. And I think it was slightly bigger. Sorry for the background noise if you hear it. But it was like slightly bigger. And then I just put the CVV as like, I don't know, anything. Style, shadow. I wonder how long this video is. And then, well, I hope y'all like it because, but yeah, so I just put it right there. Then I put make sure to leave a review on my site because I have a review section on my Big Cartel site. And if y'all want to know how to do that, comment down below because I can't. Shadow. So basically you will put whatever you want right here, whether it's like another slogan or what you want them to do or whatever. Then I put my logo right here. So we are just going to pretend like this is my logo because truthfully I don't feel like making it again. So we're just going to pretend like this is my logo. Next I put contact us because you need to know how to contact me. So I put contact us. I had the Instagram icons, the TikTok icons, and the mail icons. I just gotta search up his icon. But yeah. Okay, so I just airdropped myself the icons because I didn't feel like having to go through all the PNG steps again and like making it transparent. So I just went, I don't know what this one is. This one is TikTok. So all I did was scale it down and put it like in a line. So I did TikTok. I did whatever this one is, Instagram.
Oh yeah, I did Instagram. Let me scale this one down a little bit. Alright, so I did TikTok, Instagram, and then the last one is obviously mail because you gotta know that you should email me. I'm not always gonna respond to my DMs, especially when I get bigger, which I am. I claim it. But
anyway, so everything is the same except for my email, of course. So I just put Shop Brat Couture and then Shop Brat Couture. No, that's too close. Let me add a little space. Alright, so Shop Brat Couture, Shop Brat Couture. And then my email is shopbratcouture@gmail.com. So basically, yeah, this is how you do the credit card business cards. Wait, did I say that right? Yeah, the credit card business cards. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you check out my site, link in the description. Check out my Instagram. Shop with me, support me, subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed. And yeah, bye.